Welcome, dear friends. I am PDC Seema Bhargav, and today I will take you through the structure of InnoWheel. InnoWheel rests on two pillars, friendship and service, which have been incorporated in its motto. There is an ongoing project caring for women and girls. Apart from that, every year we get a new theme. This year, the theme is Lead the Change. If we look at the structure of the InnoWheel pyramid, the club, the most important unit, is the base. Then comes the district, association, and international inner wheel in that order. Each level of the pyramid has its own administrative system. At the club level, there is the executive committee and the general body. At the district level, there is the district executive committee and the district committee. At the association level, we have the executive committee and the association council. And at the international level, we have the executive committee and the board. What does each level represent? Let us go in a little detail. Let's talk about the club. InnoWheel Club of dash dash dash. The name of the club must have a geographical indication. The first club in India was formed at Ahmedabad in 1955. The minimum number of members is 10, although 20 would be ideal. Every member of the club is a member of the general body from which an executive committee is elected. 10 EC meetings and 10 GB meetings are to take place in a year. For a club to work well, all projects to be discussed in the EC meeting and approved in the GB meeting. All financial matters to be discussed in the general body meeting. Healthy discussions lead to majority decisions. Financial records to be audited every year without fail. Minutes of all EC and GB meetings to be recorded. Every club belongs to a district. The club executive committee is elected by the general body from the general body. The members are as follows: a president who is in charge of the club for that year, the vice president who helps the president and steps in whenever the president is not available, the immediate past president who guides the president, the secretary is the custodian of all records, the treasurer is the custodian of all finances, and the ISO looks after the friendship and fellowship part in InnoWheel. Apart from this, there are 6 committee members also in the executive committee. These names, president, vice president, immediate past president, secretary, treasurer, ISO, will keep coming as part of our presentation over and over again. So basically, this is the club executive committee. We are all part of District 323. The district is an administrative body which gives direction to the clubs. There are 27 districts in India. District number is allotted by International InnoWheel. Districts are divided as per geographical boundaries. District 323 was formed in 1985. It comprises of clubs from Kanchipuram, Tiruvannamalai, Tiruvallur and Vellore revenue districts. The first club of District 323 is InnoWheel Club of Madras South, which was formed in 1963. It is the first club in South India. Currently, there are 50 clubs in District 323 with 1469 members. District Executive Committee is the administrative body. District Committee comprises of District EC and voting delegates from all clubs. District Executive Committee for 2021 is as follows. At the helm is Chairman Usha Saraugi. Vice Chairman Kamla Selvam is second in command. AC member Nalini Olivannan is immediate past district chairman and is our representative to the Association Council. District Secretary Aarti Narayanan will take care of the day-to-day working. District Treasurer R.C. Ponmodi is the custodian of our funds. District ESO PDC Vasumati Marimuttu is responsible for membership development. District ISO Devi Matimaran will take charge of friendship and fellowship aspect. while district editor Fatima Nasira is in charge of all publications. In addition to the EC, we have some appointed posts in the district. PDC Seema Bhargav and PDC Bamini Parthasarthi are members of the Constitution and Credentials Committee, which guides the district on rules and bylaws. PDC Lata Mahalingam is in charge of menstrual hygiene projects. Lake restoration and rainwater harvesting will be looked after by PDC Padmaprita Sumant. Special projects will be coordinated by past President Supriya Sundaraman. These are the chairmen of 2021 who will be leading their districts this year. The 27 districts come under the umbrella of the Association of Inner Wheel Clubs in India. It is the apex administrative body in the country. It was formed on 1st July 1976. It oversees the smooth functioning of all the districts. It collects the annual subscription from the members to send it to International Inner Wheel. It calls for elections for offices of the association EC. As on 1st July 2019, there were 1,312 clubs and 44,067 members. The Association Executive Committee for the year 2021 is as follows. President and National Representative, Association of Inner Wheel Clubs in India is Vasudha Chandrachud. Vice President is Saroj Katiyar and Mamta Gupta is the immediate past President. Sumita Som is Honorary Secretary and Rita Bhargav is Honorary Treasurer. There are two non-executive posts also. Dr. Rashmi Sharma is the Chairman of the Constitution and Credentials Committee and Dr. Sandhya Bhatt is the National Editor. The Association Council is a body of 27 representatives from each district. Together with the Association EC and the CCCC, they form the national governing body. Normally, the immediate past district chairmen are members of this council and hence are known as AC members. With this, we have reached the highest point of our pyramid, the International Inner Wheel. International Inner Wheel is one of the largest voluntary women's service organizations in the world. It started with its first club, Inner Wheel Club of Manchester, on 10th January 1924, chartered by Mrs. Margaret Golding. International Inner Wheel is headquartered at Cheshire, UK. It is active in more than 104 countries, having about 108,000 members in almost 3,900 clubs. As an NGO, it has representatives at the UN, in Geneva, Vienna, and New York as observers. The executive comprises of an executive committee and 16 board members. Dr. Beena Vyas is the president for the year 2021. The immediate past president is Phyllis Charter. The vice president's name unfortunately has not been announced as yet due to COVID. The ballots have not been counted. As soon as they are, we will be informed. Treasurer is Elizabeth Thomas. Constitution Chairman is Corinne Daller. There is a non-executive post of the editor and media manager held by Kirsten Johnson. The Secretary of Inner Wheel is a professional by the name of Mr. Alan Phillips. This is a picture of a meeting in progress in the year 2019-2020. The names of the IIW board members for the year 2020-2021 are yet to be announced once the ballots are counted. I hope I have given you a brief overview of the structure of Inner Wheel. Please visit the district, association and international websites to know more. My good wishes to you. May Inner Wheel enrich your lives in every way.